How to deactivate Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate Facebook account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And now under Settings and Privacy, simply tap on Settings. And here, once you're inside the Settings and Privacy, just tap on See More in Account Center. And here, once you're inside the Account Center, simply scroll down and there you simply have to tap on Manage Accounts. And after that, on the next page, simply select the account that you want to deactivate, and there you can simply tap on manage beside that account. And once you tap on it, on the next page, simply select deactivation or deletion option. And after that, simply select deactivate account and tap on continue. And once you're done with it, on the next page, simply enter your password to continue the account deactivation. And after that, on the next page, give a region which is totally optional, so you can skip it if you like. And after that, you can decide whether to stay logged in on Messenger or not. And after that, you can just tap deactivate and your Facebook account will be temporarily disabled. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate Facebook account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.